In today's video, I would like to introduce you to the next generation of all-in-one fusion splicers by America Ilsintech. We will be introducing the K33A core alignment, the KR12A ribbon splicer, and the KF4AV with the new and improved VFL and power meter module. Every splicer has an auto-rotating cleaver blade with a blade life of up to 75,000 cleaves. The electrodes have been improved up to 10,000 splices on the K33A and the KF4A, and up to 3,000 splices on the KR12A. Both the K33A and KR12A offer an improved 5-inch LCD screen and the camera resolution of 1280 by 800, which will offer you a better core resolution. With the KF4AV, we have incorporated a visual fault locator and power meter module. This module can also be purchased separately and adapted to your current KF4A model. This concludes this video. Thank you.